How to log out of your Twitter or X account. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today we're going to talk about logging out of your Twitter or X account on your iPhone or Android. First of all, you need to go ahead and install the latest version of X application on your mobile device, launch the app, log into your account, and then tap on your profile icon in the top left corner from your home page. Once you do that, you will be taken to a menu where you need to click on Settings and Support. Then tap on Settings and Privacy below it. Now from the settings page, tap on your account, that is the initial option in this page. Then tap on account information, that is also the initial option of this page. Now you will see the option of logout, which is highlighted in red color in the bottom of the page. Simply tap on that, tap on log out again to confirm, and you'll be done. So this is exactly how you can go ahead and log out of your X or Twitter application on your phone. So if you found this guide helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.